If you love creamy, no-churn desserts, today's video is going to be your new favorite. We are making two incredibly easy ice creams at home. Let's get started with butterscotch ice cream. First, we'll make our butterscotch crunch. This is what gives the ice cream its signature flavor and texture. In a pan, add sugar and let it caramelize on medium heat. Keep an eye on it, you want a deep golden color. Once caramelized, add chopped cashew nuts and roast them for about a minute. Now add butter, mix well and let it cook for another minute. Then switch off the gas. Carefully transfer this mixture onto parchment paper. Place another sheet on top and gently roll it out. Now set this aside for about 20 minutes to cool completely. Once hardened, break it into small crunchy bits using a rolling pin. Now let's make the ice cream base. Take a big glass bowl and place it over an ice bath. This helps the cream whipped better. Now add heavy cream and whip it until soft peaks form. Next, add condensed milk and whip again on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks are formed. Now add butterscotch essence and gently fold it in using the cut and fold method to keep the mixture light and airy. Finally, add the crushed butterscotch cashew crunch and mix well. Transfer this mixture into an airtight container and freeze for 6 to 7 hours. Once frozen, scoop it out and garnish with brownie pieces and extra cashew crunch. And your rich creamy butterscotch ice cream is ready. Now let's move on to something fruity and refreshing, mango ice cream. In a bowl, add whipping cream and whip it until soft peaks form. Now add condensed milk and whip again until well combined. Next, add fresh cream and gently mix it in. Now pour in the mango pulp and whip again until smooth and creamy. For added texture and burst of flavor, throw in some cubed mango pieces. Pour this mixture onto a container with a lid, making sure it's freezer safe. Pop it into the freezer for about 8 hours or overnight. Once set, scoop it out and serve chilled. And there you have it, two delicious homemade ice creams. One rich and nutty, the other fresh and fruity. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.